destination. And here's your host, Esther J. Thomas.
My name is Barry Simon, and you're tuned to Island Riddims. Keep it locked.
All right, boys and girls, it's Jamaica International Kite Festival, and we're here, we're having a blast, and with me is the beautiful, most talented Abby. I just love that one name thing. You're a superstar, it's natural. She did a wonderful job tonight performing, embraced the crowd loved her. She got them on their feet and they were ready to party. Abby, tell them a little bit about yourself. You just won a very important contest in Jamaica. Let's talk about that.
Well, I'm the JCDC Festival song winner for 2012. You know, like guys like Stanley, Eric Donaldson, and those persons who won it before me, and I'm like the third woman to ever won that competition. I'm so proud of that, and I'm currently trying to pursue my career as a reggae artist also. And you can look out for songs like Freedom From Me, Dance, and all of those songs.
I heard you sing a song tonight about being Jamaican.
Yeah, that's the song, the winning song for 2012.
And that was awesome. I think it just embodied and embraced everything that was about Jamaica and about the fighting power of Jamaica. So I think that was really talented of you to do that. How do you feel about writing your own music?
Well, I mean, it gives me a sense of empowerment to know that I can use words and make pictures and tell a story so that everyone can understand and everybody can relate. And I mean, that's what a Jamaican is, really, to create words, anything, fashion and style, because we say fashion, and we have the fastest man in the world, and we have the ackee and the starfish and the yam and duck.
That's real born and bred in Jamaica. Now, Abby, there's so many people that came from that wonderful contest that you came from. But is there one person, just one Jamaican artist that really inspires you? I know that my mom inspires me, and I'm sure yours does. But one Jamaican artist, other than somebody in your family that inspires you, who would that be?
Well, I'd have to say, I can say two.
Absolutely.
I'm not being biased. Diana King and Tanya Stevenson. I think that over the years they've helped to make me into who I am today, the way I sing and the way my DJ style is today. I mean, I kind of pattern them because I look up to them.
And I love Tanya. So, you know, those people actually started grassroots, you know, and opened doors for a lot of beautiful young ladies like yourself. Abby, what is the name of your next album or your future album, or what do you have planned? Do you have any ideas?
Well, right now, I don't really have a name for an album, but I know that when it comes out, it would be epic, and it would be out of this world, because it's going to be a mixture of all genres, reggae, hip-hop, dancehall, just crossing and fusing music from all over the world.
Well, we can't wait. We're excited to bring all that good stuff to you. And later on, while you're watching, we're definitely going to bring you clips of Abby's performance, which was also epic. I am really glad to have her here with me. Beautiful in person and beautiful in spirit. Ladies and gentlemen, none other than my girl, Abby, the one-name wonder.
I see them coming up to my soul, wanting to take control. Wanna give me lots, wanna give me things, wanna give me all the material things. I hear them talking about what the world has to offer. Girl, what you doing to yourself? What they have done to that world in my cause. Jesus and I like a prophet, but what is that? Shine bright like a diamond. Bright light in the beautiful street. I chose to be happy. You and I, like a diamond in the sky. You were shooting far and free. I wish I know it was free. When you hold me, I'm alive. Like a diamond in the sky. I them my way. She only a boy next to fire. They look at that today, but you know she can fly away. Oh, she's got her feet on the ground, and she's not backing down. Oh, she's got her head in the pound, and she's not coming down. Listen, guys. Nice punch away the cool breeze blow. Woman them at the pretty girl them a lot time. The sunshine so bright you know the tropical glow. All around the world the people wanna know who we be. Set them up with vibes and how we pack what is so sweet. One thing you ever remedy them and us brothers them so far. Tourists come from near and far. Guns we go for so we are real Jamaica. What is that easy for my ear? Real Jamaica. We see the number being up. Real Jamaica. Like you see it going on the African side. Real Jamaica. We love it happy and we happy so we rose red food. So tell me no. Have you ever carried a piece of your scam? Have you ever joined the jungle crowds? Have you ever carried a water jelly? Rice and peas with a steady feet. Tell me a penny and love you the lot and not to mention the sweet with my man. Don't you know some carry with me? Make we travel and meet and with it one love.
The fun keeps going on and on and on, and the more fun we have, the more people we get to see. And with me is none other than I Win. One man can satisfy her, right?
We say the joy keeps going on and on, from dusk till dawn. More life, more joy, prosperity. You good?
I Win, good to have you here with us tonight. Of course, your performance was exceptional. We love to see you perform. You did such a wonderful job. And we love to hear new music coming from you.
You know the children are here, the kids are here, grandma, grandpa, the whole family. You know Island Riddims are here, so you know we have to make sure it's exceptional, right?
Exactly, exactly. Tell me about your music and what you have out that's brand new.
I have a new album. I call it The Life Teachings. And I have a whole lot of new singles, you know. Singles like them so much I made that, so that's, you know what I say. But we have a whole lot of singles, you know what I say. Some new singles, you know. Singles like They Don't Know, you know. That's one of the new one. And next one called Stay Humble. And the next one called Girl I Love You. Just to name a few still, you know.
Now, if we wanted to get your music, we can go on iTunes, right, and download it?
As easy as life. As easy as that.
So that's what we want everybody to do, is go on iTunes, download that new music. Again, I Win, it's wonderful to have you here, interacting with the different families at Kite Festival. And you did such a wonderful job tonight. We really appreciate you.
Okay, more life. Give thanks. Bye.
See my people living in love. Going to see them fighting and slaying. I love we got the farming that's farming. Wanna be the first to be the where it's from. Them really early people from them from farm and then get up girl. Try this time and get them up around. Let's go. What a big star. Kite Festival, tell them all the way. Stop war on the side. Stop war, people and so many body vibes, the circle and face down. Watch out the bounce of the night. My hands are fertile. Balance it there. Here's some fool around off the motor, talk about reggae.
From the nose of reggae can't take say please. The mud balance. Hear them now. Where have you been, great one? Righteousness, the whole world away upon. Love for ox if the eye stop sing. Fight against the eye to eye no inner this rock thing. This is factual, no hearsay. And most the slackness get ear play. Run down vanity and lost their way. Run till none they surely get her. The more you keep the reggae bread, the reggae bread. People one more step, more like I'm the first star. Say so life is crazy, but even finite changes. I will not go. Balance, look, can I tell you something? Alright. Been you living on the thin line, on the edges, among ball-tail and wolf-dreadies. Solid rugged rock, yes, that's what my bed is. Me never teach on the front porch, like it is. Cause I know that the green, gold and red is life. Life for shite, they go bright, clean bedding. Shut up to glory in, far from where the dead is, no leaf and milk berry. Straight fruits and veggies, in deep open, head leg and leggies. So the crying goes from belly aches and deep veggies. Whole water shed the deep, the blood, the diggy shed. Slow with my shed. Oh, living on the thin line and the edges. On bottle and wolf-ready. Cause they don't get off, yes, I got my baby. All the people mothers and baby fathers, more life, more joy, prosperity. You know why I say that? Riddims! Not dash when no baby younger. Your flesh and love is getting younger. They say you're love long, the life is fine. You know I'm the right, but I'm the using and I'm like watch out. Like road is a rocky air. It's peaceful, like China, we get good. So I see I not sleep. She kill the bikini, I love the light, she get the lead to break it. Alright, question. I'm on for weekend in a time when wolf on the swine them, loose in the street with the curries and the nine them. Why can I go join them? Me rather blind them. So what we in this time with them mother? I'm on for weekend in a time when wolf on the swine them, loose in the street with curries and the nine them. Me rather go join them, rather blind them. Picnic is not so them mother can't find them. Ungrateful, ungrateful. So we sell you out for less than a playful. Tell you to be careful, but fearful. Woman be happy in a cell, but full of fearful. No fear about so last night I spit, I don't blood shedding more and more. So I better fight over living pure. War and crime are like a summer war. Mankind get violent of the other more. But I don't feel sick, it's ignore. So that's why I drive and love is so short. It's a fire red bright and I got my father. Burning I bleed from dust to war. I see that bone dirty Babylon a berry. Cool as a breeze I blow. joyful and made to perfection like Jesus. They never love the black shade in a bleaching people in the bed. Oh, baseline. Gosh, I fire up on the bleacher there. Oh, and the bleacher, the bleacher. You know what I'm saying? Know them gone and the weed again. This is the happy that I'm on the beach again. Oh, and the beach and the beach again. You got people that feel the beach. It's clear. Put a crown here, Apache. Tattoo for matching. Bleaching product, money in a touch it. Tell them stop it and them bleaching still. Burn bleaching injection and them bleaching pill. Rich melanin make them feel inferior. Them start to bleach from the interior. They don't care about some bad or skin cancer. They want to look like Snow White or Pink Panther. Some bleaching in the show like it's a survivor in the street. When I work with night, and I said, born free. You're a strong black nation, what a job. Balance, I'm going to know how so much chemical get in the black community around here. So, may I go in the second verse. Alright, I'll be in the city to say I go on the world. I'll let Jamaica come say I pick up somebody. So watch out, lightning. Of your worries and problems, strain and stress, nightmare, pain and death. Babylon pollute the earth with bloodstain and mess. Now a righteous youth and walk with blame and press. Take the priest, molest kicks, punchers and decks. Not get paid to see and blind and air and death. Well I don't care who shame and vex, but not oral and anal sex. The best thing is the act. Brimstone fire, the lava glow. Oh, yeah. Every guy don't feel the same. Every small monster. I'm trying to get the man. Every year, every man, and there's a fighter. War, the much for the end. But it's you with the career. One day I can go strong for the sentence. And the sentence killing in the air. War, the much for the end. So it's you with the career. But the people that should be out for the end. Yes, right. Oh yeah! Telling this I love you. Look at the behind. Hey, don't worry, I told them about. Telling Kite Festival. Yes, this I love you. Look at the person my mother done. I hope themselves to them about one door. Worry, I didn't break it. The attention needs to live. Turning the ready when you die. Break it! I need to be my oyster shore. Keep my home. But the Empress them again. Searching for my love. The attention needs my love. Turning the ready when you die. Clear! I got to try it here, ladies, right? And I must let them know, no one will love the Empress them more than Rasta. Alright? So balance on the shoulder now. Alright. Girl, we belong together, like the moon and the sun together. Please let us come together. We need to have fun. Balance! If we have a misunderstanding, we can talk it over. Still bring your roses and you chalk it over. After hours of love, make it balance. Don't disturb the ear, them things balance. If we have a misunderstanding, we can talk it over. Still bring your roses and you chalk it over. After hours of love making, let's start it over. Quench your thirst with lemonade, no blast it soda. You say you're glad you got this lover. Don't try to chop her with no oil or cross his powder. Girl, come rest your head up on the naughty shoulder. You're pure, bless your mouth, no care, no crutch his odor. Girl, you know we belong together, like the moon and the sun together. No people but something. You know something I like this one to impress them? I walk around and I expose the thing out on the road. My thing not been exposed like that, right? So I think we're a kind of less to please. I balance on the teacher now. You will love to see now. Girl, I love it when you attire elegantly, you know me. Just X-rated, feel look fancy. Can't take yourself, no feel rumpy. Remember everybody sitting get burned instant. Share no man with friends, cousin, sister, mother or auntie. No propose and show no panties. Look at this and just keep the plan yourself. Balance! Teachings are gone. Alright, girl. I love it when you attire elegantly, you know me. Dress X-rated, feel look fancy. Contain yourself, you know feel rumpy. Remember everybody sitting get burned instantly. Share no man with friend, cousin, sister, mother or auntie. No go out and show no panty. Make like your skin no cranny or swampy. You know act like dog or resemble donkey. Girl, you know we belong together. Like the moon to touch her softly, right? But young lady. So here we go. One shot. Are you when you really rough? 10 days pass and she still feel the touch. Push her in and no freaky stuff. She get no bruise but the nature heal it up. Girl, listen me are your favorite company. Me knock your door and call you come to me. Girl, you knock it for no come for me. But now still listen no tree some for me. Girl, I love you. You want me to do that. You go by your blessing. See they want me. Beat them up face like mosquito. We can't get the mixed out, man. She says some boy look down running. If I bomb it up, back on the girl fire. Lightning. Say some boy weak, them up face like mosquito. Night and day, don't them show them dash litter. No fear all them exercise the raspita. See me all up there and no fear all that bitter. So they push their pedal like elastic. And press them on off, it's to proxy gymnastics. I have to do no so much call and no practice. Then she said, I wear you so fantastic. Girl, I know you only good you like it. Make you know you. And hold it up there. Oh, that's her. Riddims! She flirted and working with it. Money and things when we go to sleeping. Get this seat when we start sleeping. I make the seat for this thing. Mercy please, so that she did you. I was sick and long she did you. So she broke out that day. She's dancing before she reaches the end. One leg gets started.
Look who Island Riddims just ran into. The main man, Hezron, what's up?
I'm good, man. Everything blessed. Everything I you know, you don't know.
I know that everything's blessed. I'm hearing all this new music. Good things are happening for you. Let's talk about that. Now, I have a collaboration that I just heard that I'm in love with.
With which one of them? With me and Shaggy?
Come on. Come, let's just talk about all the collaborations you did. Let's talk about them.
You know, we have a few collaborations still. I mean, one is me and Mota, one me and Shaggy, and many others, you know, but we don't want to bust the name because they're coming on the album. And my album is coming out this year in July on Taj Records, you know. So I mean, we have some singles, I mean, and we have some stuff going on. I just recently received an award in New York from the Linkage Award for Best Cultural Artist of 2012, you know. So I mean, I love the vibes. I mean, I see the work, people appreciating the work, and it's reaching places. So this year, definitely, we're going to be seeing a lot of, you know, Hezron and all of them.
Any love songs on this album?
Of course, love songs.
I'm trying to drop hints. I'm trying to drop hints without giving it all away.
Yeah, put all this one for us, know that the thing turn up, things sign and seal up. Know where we have shut the road. What am I gonna do now? Know where you may love. Well. Ring from finger, everything.
Love it. Hezron, I know that you're really involved in the community, and we're so proud that you've gotten this beautiful award. What's your next step, and do you plan on touring after your album launches, and how soon can we expect an album launch?
Yeah, it will be launched by July. Maybe earlier, but definitely no later than July. And I'll be touring. There's a lot of stuff set up for me over the US, Caribbean. I'm in Africa, big tour in Africa, and Europe, you know. So, I mean, it's a long way today. I've been waiting for a while now, and I wanted to make sure that I tour on an album that I was satisfied with. So, I mean, I'm happy with it. There's a lot of stuff on the album too. I mean, as I said, love song. This one is a different flavor. Where I'm saying, when I thought I knew what true love was, you came, showed me the meaning. When my life became so overbearing, your shoulder kept me going. When this recession bring us down to one slice of bread, we broke and ate together. Lot of stuff.
Look, we're going to be popping that in our iPods, uploading it on iTunes, and we're going to be going to sleep with Hezron in our ears. We can't wait. We're excited.
Definitely. I'm happy to know that, you know, and I love the vibes. And big up Riddims every time, I don't know. They've been, you know, promoting Hezron for a while now. Them never see me, I know if anyone want to come and support Hezron and fire me. I live me a high, so definitely Riddims, Island Riddims, to the max. Yes.
All right, Hezron, thank you so much for standing by, ladies and gentlemen. Hezron, stay tuned, look out for his album coming out really soon, sometime in July or maybe before. So we're waiting for that and we're expecting that. We're really excited about it. Thanks for stopping by.
Thank you for watching Island Riddims with your host, Hester J. Thomas. Join us next time for your Caribbean cultural destination on Island Riddims.